all this understanding could make us laugh. To laugh, understanding the illusory nature of what we are experiencing. To laugh when we realize that we have been angry for the past 5 or 10 minutes upon something which is absolutely insignificant. To laugh when you were sad a few minutes ago, when you were angry a few minutes ago, and you realize that the causes for these disturbed emotions is an illusion. Instead, most of the time we take ourselves so seriously. We take the experiences that we are having so realistically that we are able to stay angry for half an hour, 1 hour or more, upset, sad, jealous, desireful, on the basis of phenomena having no real self-inherent existence, having gone, not existing even anymore. And when I talk with people getting angry and staying angry for long, they say, yes, of course I'm angry. You know, this and this happened to me. Okay, when? Well, 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago. If you think that in a finger snap you have 64 moments of time, I'm not good in math, so do the calculation yourself. You can understand that in 2 hours, your mind has changed. Completely. It's not the same mind which has experienced something 2 hours ago. So why do you keep anger? Because you hold on a past memory. Your mind grasps something which did happen and which you have difficulty to release.
Vse to razumevanje, ob vsem tem razumevanju bi se lahko smejali, lahko bi se začeli smejati iluzorni naravi tega, kar doživljamo. Smejati, ko ugotovimo, da smo bili zadnjih 5 minut jezni, da smo bili žalostni in tako naprej. In se zavedamo, da so, in ko se zavemo, da so vzroki za ta motena čustva samo iluzija. Toda ne, namesto tega se večino časa jemljemo tako zelo resno. Izkušnje, ki jih imamo, dojemamo tako resnične, da smo sposobni ostati jezni celo pol ure ali še več. Sposobni smo ostati nejevoljni, vznemirjeni, ljubosumni, požaljivi. Vse to samo zaradi pojavov, ki nimajo sebi lastnega obstoja, ki jih pravzaprav ni več, ki ne obstajajo nič več. Ko se pogovarjam z ljudmi, ki se jezijo, pravijo, seveda sem jezen, saj glej, kaj se mi je zgodilo. In ko jih vprašam, kdaj, reče, pred 2 urama. No, in če pomislimo, da v času, kot hlesknemo s prsti, mine 64 trenutkov uma, sami izračunajte, kolikokrat se je od takrat že popolnoma spremenil. Naš um ni več isti kot pred 2 urama. Zakaj bi torej ostali jezni? Zato, ker se oklepamo spomina iz preteklosti, ker se je naš oklenil nečesa, kar se je zgodilo, mi pa tega ne moremo spustiti.
Sometimes you see somebody sad or angry, and you say, why are you angry? sometimes the person does not even remember why, how this anger started. Just something did happen which produced anger, and the person kept this anger all along for hours. Sometimes we have a fear which occurs in the mind, and you say, why are you afraid? I don't know. Okay, then forget about. I mean, at least if you remember why you are afraid or why you are angry, you can think about it. You can analyze the cause of your fear. If you don't even remember about, simply forget about. Why to hold it? A lot of our emotions arise in our minds because we have created karmic causes for them. We have created the cause to be afraid because maybe we scared somebody 2 lifetimes before, and the fear arises now in our mind. So we feel it. And then we can look at it and say, it does not exist. It comes from something past. It emerges in the mind. At the time it emerges, it's finished. It's gone. The cause is gone. If you don't hold on it, it disappears. It's like a firecrack. Throw the firecrack, finished. Little bit of smoke.
Včasih srečamo nekoga, ki je žalosten ali jezen, in ga vprašamo, zakaj si jezen. Včasih se ta oseba sploh ne spomni, zakaj je jezna, kdaj se je pravzaprav razjezila. Nekaj se je pač zgodilo, kar je sprožilo jezo, potem pa je ta jeza ostala ure dolgo. Včasih se bojimo in ko nas nekdo vpraša, zakaj se bojimo, ne vemo. Torej, če ne vemo, zakaj nas je strah, pozabimo na to. Če vemo, zakaj smo jezni ali zakaj nas je strah, ta vzrok lahko analiziramo. Če se pa ne moremo spomniti, potem pa preprosto pozabimo na to. Zakaj bi se tega oklepali? Veliko čustev v našem umu nastaja zato, ker smo ustvarili karmične vzroke zanje. Naprimer, ustvarili smo karmični vzrok zato, da se bojimo, ker smo pred življenjem ali 2 nekoga prestrašili. Torej, zdaj nekaj se zgodi, prestrašimo se, to doživimo, tudi potem to nič več ne obstaja. Tisti trenutek, ko se to pojavi, če to tudi mine, vzrokov ni več. To je tako kot petarda, ki poči, malo se pokali, potem pa je konec.
Originally, our mind is peace, peaceful. If nothing comes to disturb it, it's quiet. It enjoys a kind of undescribable peace. So when we are not at peace, it means we are creating something. We get disturbed by an emotion. That emotion, we have created it. Either far in the past, either a few minutes ago, either we are holding to a past emotion and creating some new ones on the top of it. But in any case, we are the creator of the thoughts in our mind.